watching from Funny Cake and Draculuna Rainbow Gold. It's funny. She's the famous one. So, like and subscribe to them and me. Thank you guys. And that you're here. And this is my office. That is my mom. That is it's okay. This is my desk. This is my dad. Nothing. So guys, papasok na ako mamaya. Hindi yung lumos.
Sabay na tayo.
Opo.
11:35.
Yes. Wait lang guys. Ayan. Ito. If you want to watch my video from Roblox, then watch it. I think I will play Roblox in next week or tomorrow or later. So guys, turuan niyo ako kung paano mag-TikTok ng ganda. Padidigan ko. Paano ba yun? Comment down below. Bye guys.